Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. So today, based on the request I got from many of the viewers, so let's start the USD INR series. So this is going to be like a very basic level video. So wherein I'll just take you through what is USD INR all about. So let's have a series on the USD INR. If you look at my screen, I've just jotted out few of the bullet points. Right? I believe only in the practical. So at least I'll do my best in terms of giving you some context on what is the USDINR, and also I'll be sharing you few videos. So wherein like other folks, like other YouTubers, have already made a good video on the theoretical part, like what are the RBI rules and regulations, margin requirement, what is BIPs. PIPs. Sorry, I don't because I believe only in practical approach. So I'll be telling you from the practical perspective. The theoretical perspective, I'll just share the links within my YouTube, so you can just go through them. So the overall bulleted point is like, when I say USD INR is like peace of mind trade, and I mean it, friend. Peace of mind trade. You'll get to know. This is not like the Nifty or Bank Nifty, wherein there are like huge volatility movements, but this is peace of mind for the just reason being low volatile. This is like very low volatility market that will not give you like instant spikes the next day morning down and up. See, when I say peace of mind, you have to believe that and stay with me. I'll just let you know. This has basically very low volatility. You need patience. Basically, what I mean to say, you need patience for this trade. And even somewhere I mentioned here, maximum one adjustment is needed for weekly, or else no adjustments are also required. If you are a kind of trader who does like aggressive adjustments every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, or every 1 hour, every 2 days, or every one day, every 5 hours, like this is not meant for you. Only maximum, I would say, based on my experience, I would say maximum it requires one adjustments, and at max it can go to two adjustments, just to lock your profit. That's it. And then it has a specific pattern. Definitely, if you look at the USD INR chart, it has a very specific pattern, that clearly gives you a sense saying that yes, this is low volatility and you can trade them with peace of mind. Low margin required. Yes, one lot will require you like 1500 to 200 rupees, just in case if any retailers, any traders who have like only 1 lakh of what do you say, capital, right, they can easily trade the USD INR. And this works miracle for office goers. Anyone who is doing the passive, trading for the passive income, right? So for them, this is going to be like one of the ultimate options. Currency cannot be manipulated. This is one of the tagline I wanted to stress upon. Currency cannot be manipulated. End of the day, we have like RBI and Fed. Currency cannot be manipulated, because end of the day, this is the currency between USD, US and India. It cannot be manipulated. For that reason, volatility will be low. But we all know how the Nifty and Bank Nifty are manipulated. That's the reason I'm telling this is low volatility. It cannot be manipulated. Two currencies, two countries' currency cannot be manipulated. 24 by 7. This is one of the, I would say, advantage and also disadvantage. It runs 24 by 7. Friends, keep a note. It runs 24 by 7, traded worldwide. Not only within India, US, it is traded worldwide. So that's what I'll be sharing you all the other URLs, YouTube URLs. You can just go through them, because I don't want to again reinvent the wheel, right? So, doing the same video. I'll focus my time on the practical approach. Better to diversify your capital in USD. Let's say you have a very good capital and you're already doing swing trading, your options and other things. It's always better to diversify your 20 or 25% of the capital into USD INR, because this is altogether a different instrument, non-manipulated instrument. We have weekly and monthly expiry. I'll let you know. Option chain is available in NSE. So let me see. What you have to do is like just go to Google, type NSE option chain USD INR. I think this works, right? The moment I'll make very quick. The moment you do, see, this is the option chain for your USD INR. Sorry, is it USD INR? Option chain USD INR. Okay. Let me see whether we have USD INR. Okay. USD INR option chain. Somewhere I've seen. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have the option chain. Okay, friends, I'll do one thing. See, you can go to NSC and just to save the time, right? So definitely we have the option chain for USD INR. Okay, so you can just go to Google and search for USD INR, or else I'll just place the URL in the description box. Okay, let me take you back to slide. Okay, maximum one adjustment, upside movement product. See, basically if you look at the USD INR, right, basically we need to protect our trades for the upside movement. See, unlike, let me take the epic, unlike the Nifty and Bank Nifty, where we are always concerned about the downside movement, right, the gap downs are very common, the back gap downs are very common in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, we all know that, right? We have a huge gap downs, right? Yeah, let's say out of 100 times we have 90% of the time we have gap downs and 10% of the time we have gap up. But this is the other way. Whenever we go for USDINR, the USDINR has a threat of going upside. So whenever we go for any strategies, we have to just keep that in mind. See, no one will tell you about this thing, but based on my experience, what I meant to say is like we need to have some protection on the upside. All right. Now, some of the key pointers, you should not be forgetting these key pointers. Monday to Friday, friends, Monday to Friday, the market will be open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. not 3 p.m. from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. traded 24/7. That doesn't mean that the moment our market ends at our terminal, basically the terminal will not give you an opportunity to do the adjustment. So all the adjustments should be done by 5 p.m. That this doesn't mean that 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. doesn't mean that the instrument will get stopped. The instrument will still be traded 24/7, but you do not have the control for doing any adjustments. That's the advantage or disadvantage. That's what I've just mentioned it as a key pointer. Weekly expiry is available, right? Weekly expiry is available, and also monthly expiry is available. If you're going for weekly expiry, every Friday 12:30 p.m. this ends. The way we have every Thursday at 3:30 the market ends, right? The expiry day. So this is on the every Friday. So every Friday at 12:30 p.m. We have the expiry, right? And then the next expiry starts. Okay, so monthly I'm not sure, friend, whether that is I'll try to share more information. Monthly, I think last month of the Friday, but I don't want to give the wrong this thing. I'll just check and let you know. See, anyways, we have the follow-up videos, right? This is only the basic level of video, and then we'll have like 2 to 3 videos on this entire series, right? What did I say? The market ends at 5 p.m. for us, right? Even I have a solution for market off, because based on my experience I got up with that solution. Because whenever you have risk not risk defined strategies in the USDINR, right? So let's say Friday at 5 p.m. it ends, and we have the control next Monday morning. And this is not like Nifty or Bank Nifty, like though Nifty and Bank Nifty also gets traded in the SGX Nifty, but even this one, the USDINR, gets traded worldwide, right? 24/7. So just in case if your USDINR trade is like exposed to some risk, right? So what solution we have to just come in, we have to just think about, have that solution for you. Yes, there is a myth in market saying that low liquidity. Absolutely, I say yes, this has a low liquidity, but people who are trading in crores, or maybe in 50 lakhs, 6 lakhs, but people like you and me, retailers who have like 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 10 lakhs, right? They do not have the liquidity issues, because I have traded USDINR many a times, and it was a very peaceful. So for me to explain you, see, everything I'll explain you, friend. If not, you guys will not believe, right? Go to my channel, go to the playlist. Okay, this is my channel, right? Hybrid trader, go to my channel, and the bottom you have this USDINR. Search for USDINR. All right, so I have like 3 videos. See, I mean, if you look at this video, hi friends, I'm back with, if you see this is a video what I've made yesterday, right? Based on this video I've made all this. See, if you want me to see this video I've made yesterday, I got many what do we say, comments saying that we need the USDINR video. See, we need the USDINR video, right? We need the USDINR video. So based on that I've started creating the video. And but if you check at this, what was this? I made almost 20% in 6 days with the debit split in USDINR. This is my real trade, friend. This is my real trade. This I've made, hi friends, almost April 20. Right? This was my initial days wherein I've started the YouTube journey. So this is April. So now we are standing in July. I almost made 20% in 6 days with a debit split in USDINR. If someone wants to watch, this is just a 7 minutes video. Go ahead and watch this video, how I made. See, even if you look at, even it's been like a long time. Okay, see, 2,265 on a capital of 33,000. Just go ahead and watch this video. And also see, and also I made a video of ratio spread to debit, how we have to convert the ratio spread to debit spread, just to avoid that overnight risk. The moment the moment the market closed on Friday, by the time the Monday the market opens, we need to ensure that our USD INR trade doesn't have any exposure towards the risk on the upside or on the downside. As I said, the upside is more, but believe me friend, this is like peace of mind trades. You can watch all these two videos, you'll get some context, some clarity on what is USD INR all about. I mean, this is not only one time, I made many a time. See, 20%. Honestly friend, weekly you can easily get 1 to 2% per week, and also monthly you can target for 5 to 8% with peace of mind. When I say, I mean it. Okay, stay with me. I'll show you everything. Okay, let me again get you back to that PPT slideshow. Yeah, so what did you say? Low liquidity. I never encountered any low liquidity because I trade only with 100 lots or 50 lots. See, for me, my capital is like 50,000 to 1 lakh. Even if someone wants to go for 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, they will not find any liquidity issues until and unless you're trading in huge quantity. But the premium selections and the strike selection is the key. The premium selection and the strike selection is the key. You should not be selecting the strikes or the premium which is illiquid, the way we do it in Nifty or Bank Nifty. If we go for in the money, definitely you'll have the liquidity issues. Even Nifty and Bank Nifty is exposed for the liquidity issue. All depends on the premium or the strike selections you are running. For execution friends, I use Sensible for execution. That gives us the option of executing the bulk orders. You can just try it on the Zerodha also, because we have the basket orders. You can get that done there also. Now, few of the key pointers what I want to say is like, okay, what did we discuss? I said we have a, see, this one moves in a pattern. So I'll explain you what does this mean. You have to go to here and say USDINR live, right, live price. Okay, live chart, or call it live price. So you have to go for investing.com. see, the first link what you see, the investing.com, click on this thing. I'll put this URL in the description. I never use a trading view because trading view chart doesn't give you the accurate pricing and everything. So go to the investing.com. so this one is your USDINR. You have to click on this technical chart button. Click on this technical chart button. Then this will open a new page, right? This is, and then click on this expand view. That's it. Now this is your USDINR, but this is not in the candlestick format, so you have to click on this one, click on the candle. That's it friends. So you're done with the USDINR. This is your USDINR chart. See, I'll tell you why I said this is low volatility and peace of mind. Stay with me, I'll just explain you. Okay, now the practical approach comes. So wherein this is my area, basically this is my cup of tea. See, theoretically I can share you all the URLs, like people have made 2 good videos, but theory is not required friend until unless you are very good at technical analysis. Okay, now take this line. See, what did I say? Okay, I'll not even take this line. See, when USDINR, see, it came down, right? Let me increase the size. Where is that size? I'm not used in the US. Okay, let's say, see, the market, let's say the market came down and it went up. All right, then slowly it came down and then it went up. See the pattern, right? Retracement, or you call it as retracement or downfall. See, again it went up, it again came down. See, it has a specific pattern. It went up, came down, right? It went up till this here. Right? So what do I mean to say is, like, if you take the Nifty or Bank Nifty, we do not have any specific patterns. If you want to check the percentages it made, right, you will be surprised. See, from here, sorry, what is this? What did I took? Okay, I'll take the price range, right? If you look at the price range from till here, what is that? It made 3.24% USD dollar, like minus 3.245, right? It made an up move, right? Almost how much? It made almost 3%. That is like almost like $2.64 up move. So when I say, I mean it actually. See, basically this has a very specific pattern. See, again when it came down, it made $2 down move, and then it made, see, it made almost like $3 up move, and then it, see that this is a pattern it follows, and you will be surprised you will be surprised to see what are these moves. This is not like 1 day, 2 days, right? I'm just showing you the chart for the 1 day. Check the time. I'm not sure where I can check the time, date range, right? Okay, let me see, right? This took almost how many days? 51 days, friends. This took almost 51 days for this move. This is not like Nifty or Bank Nifty, wherein we get this type of moves. 1 day it will go up, the second day it will come down, third day it will go again up, the fourth day it will come down. Like this moment, you will not see this moment here. What I mean to say, the moments are very what do we say, specific pattern. If it goes up, it goes up for like 5 days, 6 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If it comes down, it will retrace for 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 days. And then if it goes up, it will go for like 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. So things will become very easy. That's the reason I keep telling that this is low volatile and you have the specific pattern. This is not like your Nifty or Bank Nifty, wherein you'll have all the wild moments like you know, right? It will go up and then it will come again, it will go up again, it will come. See, this type of moment you will not see. If you are an expert trader, if you have some experience, right, you should be able to get it by looking at the chart. You should be able to get that by looking at the chart. See, let me take you this chart. Okay, let me take you to this chart and see, check the patterns, friend. Check the pattern. See, I'll draw this line also. Check the patterns, right? This is my pattern. Let's say this is my pattern. Okay, check, right? It made a downfall, right? What is this time? Okay, I think this would help, right? Already saw 49 days, right? There was no wild moments from year till year. How many days? Almost like 52 days. Okay, from year, what is that? Give me a second. From year till year, see, 50 days, right? So don't you think you'll be like able to manage? And now I'll just give you a homework. Go to Nifty or Bank Nifty and see the volatility, what kind of move it will make. You'll not see this piece of this kind of specific pattern. That is like, it will be like all over zigzag moment. What I would say, this will be something like this. See, it came down, right? Your Bank Nifty, it will go up, right? Again it will come down, again it will go up, again it will come here, it will go up, it will come down, it will go up. See, some sort of this. So if you have this kind of specific pattern, it is cumbersome, it is very tedious way for us to do the trading. But this is not the way with the USDINR. USDINR is a very specific. See, if someone went long, if someone would have deployed a debit spread here, put debit spread here, right, he could have been in profit. If someone could have went debit spread here, he could have been in profit. If someone could have went in debit spread, he could have been profit. Debit spread, call debit spread, call debit spread, call debit spread, put debit spread, profit, put debit spread, put debit spread, put debit spread, right? This is like maybe here, call debit spread, right? It has a given, right? If that's the reason yesterday I made that video, right? I said, friends, we have the potential of making very good money in the USDINR, because I can sense that, I can see that market might fall. The USD, see, it made a how much. Try to understand, this is the way you need to do the price action. See, it made almost $4 up movement. That is like almost 5.53%. Friends, $4 is a very huge up move for the USDINR. So somewhere it has to retrace, right? Somewhere it has to retrace. So that retracement I'm expecting now, right? But again, I've made a video yesterday, so wherein we have to deploy very smartly. If market keeps going up, we should not be in profit. Sorry, we should not be in loss. But if market falls down, we should be in profit. That's the reason I told go for ratio spread. What did I say? Go for ratio spread. This way, right? Go for the ratio spread, or else you can go for the other way, right? Ratios. What is it? Your put side ratio spread. That's it. This is your put side ratio spread. Your market stands here. Even if the market goes up, your loss should be 0. But if the market comes down, you should be able to trap the USDINR into this maximum profit area. Friends, stay with me for 2 to 3 videos. I think if you follow it with conviction, people who have only 1 lakh of what do we say, capital, or 2 lakhs of capital, if you take this very seriously, I used to tell the same thing with my close friend circle, and believe me friends, there are like 2 to 3 friends who have completely migrated from Nifty, Bank Nifty to USDINR, and they are making consistent profit without any panic situation. But you need to be like very good at same thing, debit spread and ratio spread. See, these strategies will not change, friends. Any strategy you master that applies for any of the instruments, be it US instrument, even tomorrow if you go to US, right? So you have to use the same strategies for the US market also, the same debit spread, the same ratio spread, the same iron fly. And I'll tell you like what all strategies we need to use in the USDINR. Your iron fly will not work, friend. Honestly, I'm telling. See, the best strategy for USDINR is like debit spread and ratio spread. That's it. I've made too much. See, when I say too much of money based on my capital, right? I every time I go for the what do we say, the percentage wise, if you look at my video, see, already I made 20%. See, this is my live video, friend. I'm not showing you in Opstra. We do not have any. See, the biggest concern is like Opstra doesn't have the USDINR. So everything what I do, I've done it in Sensible, and I've shown you live market. So this is a debit spread what I've deployed. All right, so let me take you back to what did we discuss. I think we have discussed majority of the time, majority of things. Yeah, the chatting, right? Yeah, chatting, you have to use the investing and peace of mind trade. So next video what I'll do, I'll just make a video on what all strategies we have to just go ahead and deploy it in USDN. What did I say? So there is one point, so let's conclude that point. What did I say? The upside moments are very common. Okay, let me do one thing, friend. Let me do one thing. I'll just delete. Do we have the delete? See, this is remove, right? Remove all drawings. Okay. See, what I'll do, I'll zoom out this, right? I'll zoom out in such a way that you have to see the candles. Okay. Let's see what how the candles are. Forget about this move. Forget about this move. But let's check over. See, from here we have a bigger candle, but check the size of the candles, friend. This is going to be like very important. Check the size of the candles, right? You just focus on this part, how much of profit it made. This is the biggest concern, right? We do not know what percentage it made, right? At least trading view shows you that. Okay, let me take you to the trading view. I'm not sure whether that will show that we have. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to, what is that, USDINR. Will I get that USDINR? What is that, indices or crypto cap? So I'm not sure, friends, honestly. USDINR forex. Okay, let me see for only for reference purpose I'll take this one. Okay, USD dollar, Indian rupee, USDINR. I'm not sure what is its quant and everything. Okay, let me take this also, and let me take this one also. Okay, now, yeah, both are same. So let me go to this. Now you'll get the I'll just make it full same. Now keep a check on this kind of candlestick patterns. Okay, what is the percentage? So now just keep a note on this one. Okay, see, if you look at this, 0.23% move in a day, 0.26, 0.17. Focus here, friend. Focus this one. I'm just rolling. 0.48. Right. See, 0.36, 0.9, 0.24. You're getting 0.61. So there will be not wild movements, right? Maybe due to recession and everything, like recent 1 or 2 months, right? Let's take an example of 2021 September, right? See, check the candles, like how much is it? 0.1%. Okay, 0.9%. Bigger candles, 0.27%, 0.63%, 0.35%. Check. 0.21%. See, all this. See, I'm just overing on this. You just monitor this thing. See, slowly I'm just doing, right? See, 3%, 0.2%, 0.2%, 0.8%, 0.5%, 14, 19, 36. This is a, yeah, bigger candles. Yes, 0.84% was a bigger candle, but go and check that Nifty and Bank Nifty, you will find very often, but here it was only occasional. So since from 0.66%, like this is very occasional. So this is why I call this as the peace of mind trade. See, again, just keep a note on this. I'll just quickly mouse over, right? See, 27, 16, 19, 21, 01, 14, 16, 17, 11, 5, right? On an average we can say that 0.25% is the move it will make on an average, right? That clearly certifies that, right? That clearly certifies that this is peace of mind trade. Stay with me for 1 or 2 videos. I'll just try to show you all the strategies what we need to deploy, and then we will see like how, I mean, if you want like further videos, I'll be making all those videos. What I mean, I was about to discuss you something. Yeah, one thing before we conclude this video. What did I say? Upside is common, right? Upside moves, the USDINR will give you more upside move, because end of the day it's a USDINR. This has a global dependency. right? US is a very strong in I mean almost all the perspectives. I don't want to what do we say, differentiate between US and India, but whenever you see, the majority of the time the USD dollar will go up, right? So we need to deploy the strategies in such a way that we need to have the protection, more protection on the upside moment. So what is the best way to have the protection on the upside moment? The simple thing is like this one, the ratio spread. Ratio spread will work miracle in your USD INR, because see, I'll tell you one thing. Let's say this is where your market stands, right? So you have to have minimum loss on your upside. This is an upside, right? Even if the market goes upside, you should have minimum loss, but the market comes down, you should be able to trap the market what into good profit, or else maybe a call debit spread. This will work, right? This is your loss area, right? Market stands here. If the market goes up, right, your profit is limited. So don't deploy. What I mean to say is like, do not deploy the ratio spread on the call side. That's what I mean to say. Why it is not okay? Sorry, this is for this thing, right? What I mean to say is, do not deploy this trade, friends. Right? If you are with me, right? Let's say the market stands somewhere here, right? What did I say? The market, the USD INR going up is very obvious. So let's say the market goes up like it makes. So then you'll end up into your maximum loss area. So always go for call debit spread, right? Or else put ratio spread. So this is only one of the disclaimer, but anyways I'll show you by doing some real-time simulations, or by taking some real-time example. And I'm planning to take a trade on Monday for you all guys, and let's see how the USD INR plays out for the next week expiry. Okay, if you want me to show the USD INR, yesterday already I made a video, right? You go to Sensible, search for USD INR, right? This will get you to this screen. Okay, click on this. See, this is the 22nd July. So basically what I want to go, see, if you look at the 26th July, check the open interest. See, check the open interest, right? This is the open interest, right? If you go for the 27th July, right, this is the open interest will increase basically. So you'll have more option. If you go to 29th July, see, 29th July doesn't have any open interest, but I'm not sure what is this 27th July and what is this 29th July. So basically what I do is like, either I'll go for 22nd July, or else 22nd July is too much because I have like 3 to 4 days. So then I'll opt for 27th July because I see more of open interest. And let me show you what strategy we need to deploy. So let's say I'll deploy for or else we'll go for ready-made trades, right? 27 July. Let's say if I'm going for bull call spread, simple, right? This is your bull call spread for the 27 July. See, check, 223 is your loss and 278 because your margin is only 823 for the debit spread. If you go naked, your margin will be like close to 1800 to 2000. What did I say? Margin is very low in USD INR. If you go for debit spreads, if you go for like what do we say, the combination of buy and sell, your margin will become only 823. So let's say this is your single lot, right? I'll increase the lot to 100. What is the margin? Margin is only 82,000 rupees. But check the profit, friends. See, friends, I'll do one thing. I'll make a separate video. Check the profit, right? Yes, you have the loss of 22,000 and also you have the profit of 22,000. What is 27,000 on a capital of 82,000? If you are right, you will be getting 27,000 on a capital of, this is almost how much, friend? Maybe 30 to 40%. But don't get into greed. Don't get into greed. That's where we need to select. See, rather than going for this strategy, what I'll go for ratio spread. See, I have a loss of 22,250, right? We should not be going for ratio spread on the call side, but still I'll show you one example. Rather than going this, what I'll do, I'll sell this thing. That's it. Okay, I'll sell this thing. I'll increase the quantity to 100. This is typical my ratio spread. Okay, if I do this, let's see now you're able to mitigate your loss to 19,000. And if you go like deep OTM, see, sorry, in this, if I do this, right, see, your loss was reduced from 29,000 to 17,000 and your profit has increased, right? Go one more step down, right? Your loss has increased. Try to increase the profit. See, this I leave it to you. That's what see, this is like only your loss now is 5,750. You have the safety of $1 away. This 1.07 is like $1 away. So do you think in the next 7 to 8 days USD INR will make a movement of $1, $1.08, right? It's there on paper, but very less, because already USD INR is on the top. Actually, we saw this chart, right? It's already on the peak. It's already on the peak. See, I'll zoom it. Sorry. So what is it? I mean, I'm not used to this. Okay. Time scale, remove. Where is that reset? Okay, reset. See, already USD INR is on the peak. If you look at this, see, yesterday I've shown you, right? This is what I'm expecting. Not this thing. Yesterday I've shown something like, yeah, this one. Yeah, this is the way. If I look, see, resistance, resistance, it might take the resistance here. Already it might take the resistance, or already it has taken the resistance and it is coming down. And if I draw this pattern, right, if I draw this pattern, so maybe USD INR has a potential to come till this point. You got my point? This point. It will take the support of the previous resistance. That is my expectation, but do not trade based on my view. So you need to put in your own thought process. So I think we'll just give it a call for this video, friend. I'll make another like 1 or 2 videos, like what strategies we have to deploy in the USD INR. And I have like good amount of experience. If you ask me practical things, I'll show you. See, I made 20% in 6 days. USD ratio spread to debit spread. Watch this video, friend. Watch this video. Right? Watch this video. You'll get to know. And I'll be covering this point maybe in the other video. This one, I have a solution. What did I say? I have a solution. This one, I have a solution for market off. Okay, let me cover that right away. Let's say you have a kind of ratio spread. Your market stands here. Okay, what did I say? If market makes a move, see, Friday, end of the Friday at 5 o'clock, the market has ended. The next session would be only on Monday. What did I say? USD INR plays out for 24/7. So your concern is maybe market can open at your break even. So then all this profit will go into loss. So what we have to do? Simple thing, friend. You have a ratio spread. Exit this call. So what is like 1:1:1, right? So Friday at 4:45 or 4:50 p.m. exit this second sold position. Exit this second sold position, and your trade will become a typical debit spread. That's it. Even if the market stands, even if it makes $1 circuit, upper circuit $2, your profit will be what do you say? Not profit. I'll not look out for profit, but your loss will be mitigated. Got it? So this type of things I'll be explaining you based on my real-time experience, which you'll not find on any of the YouTube channel, because I've done like 2 to 3 months of experience into USD/INR also. And believe me, friend, this will become a peace of mind trade. Honestly telling, low volatility, moves in a pattern, very easy for us to trade. Just I wanted to have a quick remark. Low margin, people who have like low margin of 1 lakh, even 50,000, if they wanted to make consistent like 2 to 3%, 1 to 2% or 2% per week, and 6 to 8% per month, this is for them, right? Currency cannot be manipulated. This is one of the very, very important takeaway, because end of the day your RBI and Fed are there. This is not like Nifty or Bank Nifty, wherein things might be like it is like manipulated. Yeah, 24/7, I'm not sure. This can be plus or minus for us, but we have to deal with it. We cannot change the rules, right? If you want, you have to deal it, right? Traded worldwide. Better to diversify your capital into USD/INR, which I'm planning to do that. Okay, weekly and monthly options are available. Monthly expiry will work like miracle. You don't even need any adjustments. You need only max 1 adjustment. This is typical for the office goer people. Still they can make the same money what people do by doing firefighting, spending 6 hours on the screen and everything, but still you will be able to earn the same profit what the normal intraday people is making, right? Upside moment we have already discussed. This is my focused area, right? This is my focused area. I'll show you like what all strategies we need to deploy, strategies accordingly. So there are only 3 to 4 strategies with the adjustments. I'll tell you. Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. traded worldwide, right? Weekly expiry every Friday 12:30 p.m. This is the expiry, sort of expiry. You can correlate with the Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry on the Thursday by 3:30. I have a solution. This is where I wanted to focus. Low liquidity. This is only if someone is trading in crores, but you are people like you and me. We do not have any liquidity issues, friends. You do it. See, whenever you do it, you should not believe others, right? You go ahead and deploy with 1 quantity, 2 quantity, 3 quantity, right? You experience yourself. if someone wants to get into the real option trading, right, they can go for this USDINR by just taking one lot will take you 500 rupees, and you can do your all so-called adjustments. I'll make a video on that, okay, upcoming video. Premium selections and strike selection is the key, and then I use sensible for execution. You can also use the zeros for basket orders. All right, thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you want me to make the 2 to 3 series on the USDINR by focusing on the strategies, please, I need comments, I need likes, right, I need requests, I need more subscribers, because I'm putting so much of effort in terms of coming up with all these videos. Until and unless I get some support from you, until and unless I get some interest from you, so there is no point in making all the videos. All right, thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.